Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. I know. You can see a big old green package right there on the table with the big white lettering going CRKT. So you already know what we're going to be taking a look at today. And if you couldn't figure it out, there you go. But stay tuned after we roll that intro. And I'm going to talk about that wonderful blade that came in that package. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you, well, let me rephrase that, okay? Let me get two quick housekeeping bits out the way really early. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and it's going to be very much appreciated. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, see, I almost reversed that order. It happens. I haven't shot a real video in a while, so here we go. But for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, we do things really differently here on the channel, and it's going to be something you're not used to that you may see on other huge channels. But that's okay. I kind of call my channel like a burning clown car. You're never sure what you're going to see, but damn it, it's going to be fun. Now, for you first-time viewers and you guys who have yet to subscribe, have been watching for a while, go ahead and look down here. Gonna see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover though over that thing, click on it, whatever, it'll bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead and knock it out the way early, and you're gonna feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, as you saw, we're gonna take a look at another M16 series by CRKT. Today it's the 10 Kilo Sierra Foxtrot, and that just basically stands for the 10K and the M16, but Special Forces series. Okay then. But there's the back of the box for all you got, well, the package that all you guys like seeing it. But we're about to go over all that. Alright, and here she is in all of her glory. Now, I have brought another one from the M16 series to the channel before. Look right up top. You're going to see a card for all of my affordable everyday carry series blades that I have brought to the channel. You will see it sitting right in there. Yeah, that's tongue-tied. Seriously, say that like 10, 20 times fast. Alright? It's small, it's lightweight, it's compact. It's another in the series that I thought about collecting all of them on. I mean, it barely really fits in my hand great. You know, I've had some issues with certain things in carrying it, and I kind of feel my thumb bumping into the top flipper all the time. The other drawback for me is I really truly don't like serrations on a blade. But I wanted to bring one, so I was like, okay, the only one I could find, I'm pulling the trigger, it's coming to the channel. Now, this is patterned after the much legendary designer Kit Carson's designed M16 series. So I love the fact that CRKT went back, they changed some things, they're bringing out some new stuff in that line, and they're just keeping his legacy going. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7 inches. The blade is 3. Enclosed, it's about 4 inches, but I'll be honest with you, it kind of feels a little smaller than that, but we're going with 4. It's got a lightweight to it of 2.60 ounces. Now, it's got a plain / serrated edge with a hollow grind, and it's done in the Tonto style with a black corrosion Echo Delta Papa finish. I should have looked that up, and I failed you guys. I really have no idea what an EDP finish is. It just makes me think it's like Gerber's, that, you know, titanium nitride, whatever they use, or it's just like their patented little, we're going to throw it on there to help prevent rust and corrosion and everything else. Now, it's got a stainless steel frame, and they call it handles, but it's just really, seriously, one piece in here. I don't see where there's scales or anything else, which is also black coated. You can reverse the pocket clip, but you can only carry it one way, which is, come on, tip down. There's just no other way to reverse it the other way. Now, we do have thumb studs to open it right there, or, you know, they're flipper open. And yeah, this one's still kind of new, still playing around with it. I liked it, so I figured, why not? Let's review it, right? As you can see right there, it does have a frame lock, and it is made in China. Now, I had thought about this, but if you can see right down here in this last hole, the blade closes down there, and it would cut whatever like lanyard you may want to try to put in there for paracord. So I really can't say where it has a lanyard hole, but you can just kind of see it right in there, how it would just kind of, when it's moving and whatever else. And plus, with a lanyard hole on the bottom, you're kind of pulling across to pull it out of your pocket, and I just think those are worthless. But let's have a little fun with this guy, okay? Alright. Like we usually do, paracord. So we'll do here. No problem with just a pull test. And I'm kind of curious with the serrations. Yeah. Kind of had to move it. You just can't pull it across them. Alright. Let's just do a slice test. Yeah, through no problem. Alright. Heavy duty stock paper. Wow, just kind of skates off there. Alright. Well, somehow I got that. I didn't even realize it. So in some areas it's sharp, but it was seriously feeling like it was skating. Let's just see. With the serrations. Yeah, I figured that might chew that up. Alright, Mr. Ratchet Strap. And we're going to try doing this one just a little bit differently. We're going to try using only the serrations. Right through that. Okay. Huh. Well, you can see right there. I'm not too sure if you can see it that well. I can from behind the camera, seeing how there's that new light system I'm trying. But it did pick up a whole bunch of stuff. Still feels pretty sharp. But okay, so I found it in 4 different areas. Well, one, I just walked into the store and went, oh, hey, that looks kind of cool, and bought it. But I found it on Amazon, Crkt, and Blade HQ. Where I bought this was a local store around here called Coastal Farm and Ranch, and I paid $39.99 for it. Found it on Amazon for $31.99, Crkt for $54.99, and Blade HQ for $31.95. It's been reviewed once over on Blade HQ, and it got a 5 out of 5. Crkt, it's been reviewed 11 times and got a 4.5 out of 5. And over on Amazon, it scored a 4.5 out of 5 with 367 reviews. Okay, now here comes the fun part for me. I do this in every video, and I really want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Do you have one? Have you used any by these series? I just want to know your thoughts. I also want to know, do you think it's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I myself am still kind of on the fence about it. I haven't used it that much, and I really haven't made it my everyday carry choice. I think it's just one that's kind of cool for me to have to kind of complete the collection. It may be one I'll give to the monkey when he starts carrying some other things. There's something a father passing down to his son. I don't know. But with that being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I'm going to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there, and I'm very, very flattered you chose this channel, and hopefully I earn more of your viewing time. If not, well, leave me a comment to say what I can do to get more of your viewing time. Especially for you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, let me know why, okay? I'd love to know why, so maybe I can earn your subscription. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, look right down there, okay? Right down here. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy that bell icon that's right next to it if you want to. And this is why I'm saying it. If you click on that bell icon, it's going to let you be notified every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, I know lots of you have smart devices and you get notifications about everything, and I actually had someone leave me a comment that was kind of disparaging about me asking for notifications. So, it's up to you. If you'd like to do it, cool. If not, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. But there we go, guys. My quick look, well, a quick tabletop look at the Crkt M16-10 Kilo Sierra Foxtrot. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.